Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you the latest unlimited crypto arbitrage that is trending right now and how you can earn up to 5% every day from your initial investment. So this site we are talking about is Auto-bot.com, which you can also use the link below to get started. And you can see that they have been online for more than 11 days now. So this is an advanced AI tool that works 247 to generate funds from taking advantage of crypto prices from different exchanges and share this profit with you. Now you can see their daily profit opportunity. The arbitrage bots monthly work with 12 cryptocurrency exchange, scanning various pairs and cryptocurrencies and choosing the most profitable combination for making profit. And it says that Auto-bot.trade has managed to develop an arbitration bot that can act efficiently to make decisions regardless of the market situation. You understand? So that means if the market is going down, you are making profit. If the market is going up, you are making profit. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the investment proposal. So you can see that you can earn up to 4% daily for 50 days, but there's a catch. The minimum deposit is $10, while the maximum deposit is $4,999, which is like $5,000, and the total return is 300%, while the net profit is 200%. You understand? The minimum withdrawal is $2. So for example, let me say I start with $500 and I'm earning 4% every day. That's like $20. You understand? So that means I'll be making this $20 every day. The times the 50, that is like $1,000. Now, this is exactly what you'll be earning at the end of the given period, you understand? Plus the initial investment of $500, that's like $1,500, you understand, at the end of the given period. That also applies to this second option, which is 5% every day for 40 days. But the minimum deposit is $5,000, while the maximum is 100. You can also withdraw your $2 every day, and that is it. Now when you scroll down, you can see this is a yield calculator whereby you can calculate it yourself without doing it manually. So we calculate it, then try to understand what you are earning. So for $10, you can see that I choose for the 50-day period, you'll be earning $0.4, and at the end of the 50 days, you'll be making $30. Now, when I come up with $500, because $500 is what I'll be depositing, so you can see that I'll be earning $20 every day and $1,500 at the end of the 50 days. So that is basically how this auto trade bot works, and it's actually profitable, you understand? So now before I show you everything that is involved, a live transaction and a live deposit, please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more free informative content like this. And also make sure you follow me on Twitter, where you can get more updates, and as well join my Telegram community so that you can get updates even before I upload them here on YouTube, which you can actually find all the links below this video. So make sure that I check them out. Now coming back to Auto-bot.trade, the first thing is to create an account. So you just have to click the first link below this video, then it will take you to this section. You just have to enter your full name, enter username, enter your email address, your password, and after you enter your password, you just have to enter this security pin, which is 4512. You understand? Now you acknowledge your upline, which maybe in my case you will see Daniel Mason DMO. Now before you click continue, make sure you read the terms of services. I like reading terms of services because it gives me an idea of what I'm doing, you understand, on this platform. Now you can see that the rules and agreement. Please read the following rules carefully before signing up, you understand? So you can just go through it. You can see that you say you agree to a legal age in your country, 18 plus, blah blah blah. Autobot is not available to the general public and is open only to the qualified member of Auto-bot.trade, you understand? So you can just take that into consideration. You say to be a private transaction between Auto-bot.trade and its member. As a private transaction, this program is exempted from the US Securities Act of 1933, US, that is SCCE, so the Act 1934, and blah 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 blah. So you can just go through it. Then you got to realize that this project or Auto-bot.trade is trying to make sure that you are aware of the risk of investing on this kind of exchanges, you understand? So they will not be liable for anything that goes wrong. That is to say that make sure that you are aware of the risk involved, you understand, and invest to what you can afford to lose. You get my point? So me investing $500 does not really mean that you can invest $500. So depending on your risk taking ability. Although for those that will be using this platform because it is new, I'll be making a daily update on my withdrawal so that you can see when it works and when it did not work, you understand? So we just have to give it a shot and just keep using it. Now coming back to this registration section, you just have to click continue. Then with that, you have successfully created an account. Now in your own case, it will prompt you to re-log in back to your account, but because this is my new account apart from the one I've been using since, then this is exactly what it's just going to look like, you understand? I'm just showing you this, how an empty account looks like, you understand my point? So you can see that the one is 4%, just like what we discussed, and plan 2 is actually 5%, $5,000 to $100,000. So all you need to do is to select your plan, then select the payment processor to deposit, you understand, which is the crypto you want to deposit. Now remember that the crypto you deposit is what you will trade with and the one you will withdraw from. After that, you enter an amount like $500, then click deposit. Then it will take you to this section whereby it's going to generate an address for you to deposit, you understand? So now you can see that it says that this principal return, say yes, principal will be returned balance after the end of the plan, you understand? And you'll be making 4% every day for 50 days, and with your $500 investment you can be making over 300% at the end of the given period of time, you understand? So when you deposit and come to this my investment, it's going to show like this. Now remember that my account is empty, so let me come back to my main account. Just as you can see that this account, this is like a couple of days later, you understand my point? But I'm going to take you back to when I actually make my first $20 and withdraw. So you can see that I've earned $60 and I've withdrawn $40 already, and I deposited $500, you understand? So you can see that I currently have $20 in my balance, and this is my username DMO, you understand? So what you'll be doing is to come to this my investment section whereby you'll be able to see your activities on this account. Now you can see that my account was created on the 3rd, blah 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 blah, and you can see that I deposited $500 and profit today is $20 waiting for me to be withdraw, you understand? Waiting to be withdraw. The total profit is $40 or rather $60, you understand? So the next thing you need to do is to come to account settings. Then on this account settings, you can change your full name, change your password, enter BTC address, which is the address that you want to deposit, you understand? Because this where you'll be withdrawing to. So when you enter your address, you click update, and that's it. You have updated your details. Now the next thing I also want you to do is to set up 2FA, so that when you sign in and make transaction, it will request you for 2 authenticator code, you understand? That is it. Now coming back to this withdrawal section, you can see that I have my wallet address already set, you understand? Then I will just enter an amount for me to withdraw. Now you need to know that this Auto-bot trade is more of like you deposit, you wait for your investment to mature, then you withdraw. Now you can be withdrawing your 20%, your 4% every day, but I would suggest that if you deposit more, up to like $500 like me, make sure that you use the link below to get started, and you just have to wait for a couple of days, like 5 days, 4 days to withdraw, so that when you withdraw that $20 times 5, that's like $100 every 5 days, which is actually nice. So within 15 days or 20 days, you have already gotten your money back, and that's it, you understand? So what I would suggest is, after the first plan have ended, which means after the first 50 days, what you should do is keep your capital, then use part of the profit that you earn to open a second investment, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So let me say, at the end of my first plan, I'll be making $1,500. So I'll keep $1,000, then use $500 to open another investment again, which is exactly what I'll be doing. So I would suggest, if you are using this platform, follow the same strategy. And also I'll be making weekly, or maybe two days after, I'll be making an update on this platform. So anytime I'm withdrawing, I will just record my process and show you guys that okay, it's still paying. So for new members, maybe they can enter, you understand. So when I withdraw, you'll be able to see that at the instant I got a notification from BitGet Exchange that the deposit was successful, and that's exactly the moment I got this email that says withdrawal have been sent, which means the withdrawal is instant, you understand. So that's exactly how Auto-Trade Bot works. So make sure that you use my link below this video to get started and enjoy your profits. And as well, make sure that you do diligent research before investing on anything crypto related. And with that being said, as you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.